Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to run Go programs on VS Code. So let's get started. So first, to do that, we'll need to have Go programming language installed on Windows. Then we are going to install VS Code software. Then install the necessary extensions. Those are Code Runner and Go extension. And then we are going to write our first Go program and execute it. So let's get started. So I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. You can use any browser. In search type Go, press enter. You'll get the first official link, the Go programming language. You need to select this, click on download. Over here, you need to select the first link that is for Microsoft Windows. This will download the setup file. Once it has got downloaded, click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. Click on next. Select this, I accept the terms. Click on next. If you want, you can change the directory. I'll go with the default one. Click on next. Click on install. You'll get a pop-up. Select yes. Alright, so Go programming language setup has got completed. We'll click on finish. So we have completed our first step, that is install Go programming language. Now to cross check if the Go programming language has got installed correctly or not, click on Windows key, type cmd and click on open. In command prompt, you need to type go space version and press enter. So if it has got installed correctly, you will be able to see the Go version. Okay, so I'll close this. Now let's move ahead to the next step, that is to install the VS Code software. In the new tab, you can just type VS Code and press enter. You'll get the first link, Visual Studio Code. Click on it. Download for Windows. So this will start downloading the setup file of VS Code. Once the VS Code setup file has got downloaded, click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. Select accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. I'll choose this create a desktop icon. Then click on next. Before that, don't forget to check this. Then click on next. Click on install. Since this is checked, once we click on finish button, it is going to launch the Visual Studio Code. I'll click on finish. Let's maximize the screen. So right now we have completed both the steps. Now we'll move ahead to install the required extensions. To install the extension, click on this extension menu. Over here, you need to type Code Runner and press enter. So you will be able to see this first one, Code Runner. This helps you to run different programming language code without any issue. Click on Trust Publisher and install. So it has got installed. Now you need to install the second extension, that is Go. Just type Go and press enter. You'll get this first icon. Select this. Over here it would be written Go team at Google. So it's an official. So click on install. Click on Trust Publisher and install. So we have installed all the necessary extensions. Now let's Click on this Explorer, open folder. I'll create a folder on desktop, a new folder with Go programs. You can name it anything. Okay, let me select this folder. If you get this pop-up, click on check this and select yes, I trust the authors. Now let's expand this folder, Go programs. I'll select new file. So I've created one file, first program.go. So Go is an extension for Go programming language file. Now we'll write our first program in Go programming language, that is package main import fmt. It's for formatted text. Then we'll write our main function fmt dot print. Now inside this print method, I'll type the text hello world. Now let me save this file. Click on save. Now there are two ways you can run this code. You can do a right click and run code, or you can press this Control Alt N keyboard shortcut to run this code, or you can press this button to run the code. Now let me press this button. This is going to run our first program, which is written in Go programming language. So our code has got executed successfully, and you will be able to see the output hello world on the console screen. So that's all for today, guys. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.